7 easy work-at-home jobs you can start today without experience. What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to share with you 7 work-at-home jobs you can get started with as soon as today from the comfort of your home without any previous experience. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me, but first, if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more on a consistent basis, and make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, before we get started here, make sure you pay attention, watch the whole video so you don't miss out on any important information on these 7 work-at-home jobs I'm going to share with you here today. And if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below that you can have a closer look at when we have finished this video, of course. But these 7 work-at-home jobs are a great way to get started with while you build your real sustainable online business there. Alright, with that being said, let's go ahead and have a look at what these work-at-home jobs are. Let's get started. Alright, so the first thing that we can apply for is we can become any kind of a virtual assistant, virtual agent, call agent actually. To be more specific regarding this site, I'm going to share with you the first site here today, which is nextrep.com. You can see here going virtual allows you to have a customized contact center. So basically a lot of companies, they come here, they hire virtual call agents actually. You do need, of course, to speak on the phone probably, unless there is a chat section in the company, so you don't have to talk but only chat. There is probably available also some kind of this kind of opportunities actually. What you're interested in this site here is actually go to the section where it says be an agent. So you need to fill in the details here, and you can see here we have great opportunities in customer and sales service and are looking for just the right match for our mutual third-party clients. So if I scroll down a little bit, you can see there is also a blog section. It explains a bit of the benefits of signing up with NextRep here also, of course. So there is an FAQ section that you can have a closer look at, but I'm not going to go into detail here in today's video because we want to move on so you can see also the other opportunities here also. So nextrep.com, have a look at it and see if it is something for you to get started with. Here is another site, and it is workingsolutions.com. And this is how it looks when we arrive here. We need our unit services, or I want to work from home. And this is the section that we are interested in. So let's get straight to it. You can see here, work at home jobs, learn more. Let's have a look at the learn more section here. There is an FAQ. It will redirect us to the FAQ actually. And you can see here it explains about becoming an agent, what it requires, and you can have a look at all the details here also for this site. But definitely a site to have a look at, workingsolutions.com. And what I always recommend is this. This is one of my favorite sites because they do have a lot of virtual assistant jobs actually, not only call jobs, because it can be let's say chat. I'm just typing here. Okay, so it can be anything that has to do with chat, online chat representatives. Look at this, $14 per hour anywhere in the world. You can actually sort this if you want it full-time, part-time. So if I just uncheck this, I might get some new searches here. Home-based member services, team lead up to $21 per hour. So a lot of opportunities that you can have a look at. Look at this, remote customer service advisors, $17.50 per hour. Okay, a lot of jobs. You can see only 70 matching records here. If I just type call agent, I'm not sure what's going to happen here. Okay, so it found actually 18 matching records here. If I just type call center, I'm not sure, but I think yes, 129 matching records. Another opportunity that we are going to have a look at later on here is also data entry. So you can see here data entry. Oops, wrong there. Let's go and have a look at this. 206 matching records, $14, $15, $17. So you can see here tons of opportunities that you can get started with. Virtualassistantjobs.com, go ahead, have a closer look at this site. Actually do a lot of searches, search by category or just go straight with the keyword there. There are a lot of categories here. Bloggers, if you're good at blogging, for example, you can do that also without any previous experience. Just go ahead and apply, you never know. All right, let's move on to something else here, and you can become any kind of a moderator. Modsquad.com is the perfect site for forums, for social media platforms, any kind of a moderator. You can have a closer look. There is tons of opportunities here. You can see here community, moderation, social, what we do. So just go to modsquad.com and have a closer look at the site here. I shared this in the past also. Great site. All right, so data entry job is the next opportunity. I have shared this in the past also. One of the favorite sites is Clickworker. You can see here if you go to earn money as a Clickworker, they always look for internet users worldwide who can, for example, create or correct text, participate in surveys, or search and categorize data for us. So definitely not anything that requires any previous experience. Now, if you do have, if you're good at writing or proofwriting, you will definitely have much more jobs here. But you can see that there are tons of opportunities. You can take surveys also if you want to, so you can definitely make much more money. We have the app here available on App Store and Google Play also. All right, next opportunity here, you can actually be any kind of a web search evaluator or social media evaluator, but there is also tons of other jobs, and appen.com provides you with a lot of opportunities here actually, okay? There is micro tasks, corporate jobs, so we can just go ahead and have a quick look here. So basically, you will do a search. I think it is available in 140 countries or something like that. So definitely worldwide and a lot of opportunities here. Okay, you can actually search by location. Let's go for Greece. Greece remote. So if I do a search, yes, there we have it. Social media evaluator or web search evaluator. So these are the two opportunities, but there is more opportunities actually that you can have a look at. You can start to search here if you go for data entry or other micro tasks also. So you can find a lot of opportunities. Very popular site, appen.com. Here is another opportunity which I consider is also very easy to do. Doesn't require anything else than just a good pair of headphones and be good at typing what you hear actually, and that is to transcribe. So if I go a little bit, let's see here, we go to the top, join as transcriptionist. You can see here that they pay more than anyone else. You can see here the ratings are between $15 and $22 per audio hour, and top monthly earnings at $2,200. Okay, but the average monthly earnings are $250, as you can see here, probably because they don't have transcribing jobs all the time consistently. I'm going to give you a tip here later on how you can actually get more jobs here. So this is one site. Here is something else actually also, rev.com. You can do more than just transcription. You can do captions. If you are good at a foreign language, you can do definitely much more. So what you do is you go to the freelancers section and you apply here. So you can have a look at the transcriptionist. You get 36 to 65 cents per audio video minute. Captioner gives you 45 to 75. And of course, the subtitler, you can make much more, $1.50 up to $3 per audio video minute here. Very popular site, rev.com. Have a look at this. Definitely worth to sign up for also. And finally, we have the freelancer. You can become any kind of freelancer. Here, it totally depends on your skills, what you're good at. If you're good at data entry, then apply for data entry. If you're good at video editing, then do that. You might be good at blogging, article writing. There are so many opportunities that you can do as a freelancer. Upwork is one of the most popular sites. There is also freelancer.com, people per hour is also another site that I shared in the past, and also fiverr.com, which is definitely much more than just $5. So many people think that you sign up here and you make $5, but it's definitely not true. So if you just see here video edit, if I just type that, you can see here that people are actually charging much more. While this is in euros, it is this, for example, is approximately around $25. So they start at 25. So this is just for video, okay? You can do data entry. And this was actually the tips I were referring to earlier. So make sure you sign up actually to a few of these freelance sites. You sign up for Transcribe, you go to Fiverr, and you offer the same service actually. So whenever a job comes in, it means that you will probably get more jobs than just waiting on one site here, okay? So data entry here, you can see I will do data entry on QuickBooks, Online, and Excel, starting at $9.40. This is around $10-11 in approximately somewhere when I'm recording this video here. So definitely worth to have a look at fiverr.com. A lot of gigs, and you can apply to do more than just one service here. So you can apply for doing transcription jobs, you can do data entry. Let's say you're good at video editing, you might do that too. So apply for all the three. Make sure you promote it, of course, which is really important. And the other sites here like Upwork, make sure you get started to bid low on the offers and jobs that you can see that are available. So you get some testimonials, so you get some feedback, and then you can start to increase the price there. So there you have 7 really easy work at home jobs you can start without any experience. Now, as I said in the beginning here, if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below this video. So make sure you check that out. If you got some value here, I really appreciate if you smash that like button below. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you also find an end screen with another Make Money Online video recommendation there. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.